First time crash on R6. Oh, geez. Red light, green light. Go! Yeah, boy. Oh, geez. Jeffrey fell again. How did we do that? Write in the comments. 3, 2, 1. Probably dumped the clutch and lost control of the front handlebars because it lifted up a little bit. Handlebars did this, landed it, and now we're doing all that. Brand new beginner mistake. Is he a beginner? We don't know. He's got 3 feet, but we don't know if he's a beginner. So why do I call it a beginner's mistake? Because it really is. It's a mistake beginners make. So if you're an experienced rider and you're making beginner mistakes, slow it down, retrain yourself, get back into the fundamentals of learning and training. And that's what this whole book right here, the Smart Rider Drills, I did the whole, this is absolutely nothing to actually get your endorsement. If you are an experienced rider or if you have some type of riding experience, practice some drills. Learn how to use that friction zone throttle control and turn those handlebars. Okay, link in the description for 10% off the whole order on the whole store. You should not be making beginner mistakes. As somebody that's been riding, you spent a lot of money in your full gear, riding with a group of friends, R6. Don't make beginner mistakes. All right, speeding through oh, jeez, at night. Oh, find the escape. Find the escape.
That he was trying to keep up with the group, which ultimately got him into trouble.
Trying to keep up with the group got him in immediate trouble. So he is lagging behind his group. He's like, I got to speed up to catch up. Looks like we're going 90. I could barely see the speedo. We're going 90 at night in a packed downtown. Not a lot of traffic, but we're downtown in an urban area where people will come in and out. Big problems. We're speeding. Now, if you're not with your group and they're like way ahead and all that stuff, that's why you talk on your cardos. I have tools in the description. I use a phone mount. I use my cardo, and I have all these drills and everything. You get the phone friendly version, and everything like that. Because I want you guys to start riding safely. If you can't keep up with them, talk to him on your cardo. Give him a phone call and be like, hey, I'll meet you where we need to go. He's got his GPS. It's like, I know where we're going. I'll just meet you there. Don't do this, because then all of a sudden you have a side of the vehicle. Good job on him recognizing it. Does the swerve. Can't swerve back quick enough, so we just keep going left. Got to find the escape. Found the escape to the very far left. Hopefully no pedestrians walk out in between the vehicles to get to their parked car, or no cars coming out.
He was trying to keep up with the group, which ultimately got him into trouble.
Lucky. D Hale 959. Very lucky. Very lucky. Motostars, keep putting the names on that side. I like that. Nope, no, not right here. Over there. And we're on fire. Oh, geez. Got a little bike from, was it Tractor Supply store? We're on fire. Just dump it. Okay, put it on the sidewalk. That's cool. That gets hot. Get a little hot. Burn some holes in his pants. Damn it. All right, another side of the vehicle. We decided to swerve into the vehicle. Ooh, damn. Poor choice, but made one. Hey, it's better to make a choice and fail at it than to not make a choice and fail at it. Make sense? All right, we're coming up to here. Decided to swerve right because assuming the car was going to keep going to the left. So if we swerve right, we'll be fine, right? No, that's what I'm saying. He made a choice. It didn't work out. I'd rather him make a choice. So we could say with the armchair quarterback, hey, you should have swerved left because that would have been the thing that saved him. But he made a choice. He still did something. Okay, I can't crap on him. You know, typically we see people just not do anything, and then you can be like, hey, swerve left. Here, he made a choice, swerved right, didn't work out. Now, could we have maybe not speed? No, we're not going too fast. We're probably going the flow of traffic. Person just came out. So this is one of those really bad situations. Yeah, this is just one of those really bad situations. This is why we wear gear as smart riders. Acquire and use personal protective equipment just in case. And I got the light on my face. What the heck? I gotta stand over here. All right, lane splitting. Both hands, because somebody's gonna want to peek out. Open lane pattern. You guys know that if you've been watching this channel long enough. Guy wanted to go in the open space. Anybody sit like that because like your butt just starts getting tired on these long rides? You kind of just like adjust yourself, kind of like you do in your office chair. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go fast around here. Lost some traction, almost low-sided right here. Lost traction and gained traction. Thankfully, we kept it up. Almost hit another car. Extremely lucky. All right, sharp left turn right here. We're going way too fast. Ooh, got lucky there. Got lucky. Yeah, a little too fast. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do a nice little, we're gonna walk it back. What are we doing here? Bike's on, we have the clutch in, or maybe neutral. Is it gonna fall over? Oh, you gotta find that balance point. You gotta find that balance point. In the UK, I believe, right? Write it down if you're from the UK. This is actually part of your test, where you have to walk the bike back. Like, that's actually a part of the test. We don't have that in the United States. But that's something you have to work on, okay? Find the balance point and you're able to walk it back. That sucks. New rider mistake. Oh, we leaking. We leaking. All right, here we go. Oh, what's going on here? Uncommon thing in this common situation. So now we have the right text up on the board. Okay, good job. Moved over. Speed up. Emergency accelerate out so we don't get hit. All right. Here we go. Coming up to an intersection, so we want to locate this hazardous situation. Anybody coming out like a giant bus? Good job with the progressive braking. We weren't speeding through. Handled it. Give it a win. Moving on. Here we go. Yeah, we're gonna speed with our friends at night. Can't see much. Wheelie time. Don't loop it. Don't loop it. Oh, good job. There's a car there. We weren't paying attention. Oh.
But this was a close call.
Close call. Yep. Very close. All right. It's rocket to you. Just cruising. Hopefully they don't come in our lane. Yeah, they did. We moved over a new position for safety. Not a big deal. All right. Hard rides.
Visibility, the driver choose to make a
Pretty cool camera,
It's a
you
strong
know.
reminder that bikers
Just maintain a good space cushion. Side of the vehicle. Anybody gonna peek out? Anybody gonna come out right there? Good job with the brakes. Just enough progressive brake pressure to allow them through. We don't have to stop. We can actually just slow it down so when they continue their path, we now are not going to hit them. So good job with the progressive braking. Really, really good job. So applied the brakes just enough to allow them to go through and then move on. Overall, pretty crappy. Should have seen us, but didn't. We handled it.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, check your pants. Yeah, nice little group ride. Talking to each other on their cardos. You can actually record it on their... Oh, please don't get hit. Please don't get hit. Ooh. Now gun it. Don't worry about rev bombing. It's not going to scare it off. You just want to emergency accelerate out of there. You kind of juke them a little bit. Good job. Got it out of there. All right. Oh, we're going to transition from... Okay, I stopped to fix the camera. I thought we were going to take that road. I was going to say transition from asphalt onto dirt could be a big problem. So right here, probably left foot slipped on the gravel. Left foot slipped on the gravel or the dirt, a little slippery. Not a big deal. Thankfully, he didn't fall over and the bike landed on his leg and snapped it. Lifted up just like that. Perfect. All right, Raven Rider, here we go. Watch out for anybody wanting to come out. There it is. There it is. Always got to watch out for that when you see a big gap. Okay, watch out.
Why? Why, man?
Because it's an intersection. They wanted to turn in.
Look, there is a bus coming.
They did look. It's just a line of sight problem.
Bus coming.
It's a line of sight problem. You're just going to blame everybody else because you're upset. I get it. But it was a mistake.
A very dangerous moment when the driver decided to turn at exactly the wrong time.
Okay.
Fortunately, the rider made a full recovery.
Full recovery. Okay, here we go. Good job. Filming with a potato. And we're into the back of the vehicle, or the side of the vehicle. There it is. Oh, jeez. Left turners are a big problem for motorcyclists. That's why hazardous situations in the riding world is going to be curves, like mountain roads, and intersections. Big hazards. Wait, 3 frames per second? Yeah, he's not getting up. That's not good. How do you help him? Ooh, that leg looks painful. That thing was on his leg. He's unconscious. You notice how nobody did anything until he showed up to do something? Yeah, he's unconscious. That's not good. All right, we have an intersection coming up. You saw that. There's a T intersection. Anybody gonna come out to the left? Nope, we're gonna go to the left. Ooh, high side, baby. Yeah, high impact. Bike is destroyed. Ooh, are we missing a pinky? Almost missing pinky. That is why you wear gear. That would have been all flesh instead of just glove and some flesh. It would have been all flesh. Overall terrible. Slow it down. Slow it down, guys. Is this another point of view? Going around the corner, went wide. There's a little high side, up and over, dunzo. Yeah. I have to talk over this because it's copyrighted music. Yeah, we're gonna do a wheelie. I've seen this one before. Somebody's gonna run into him, right? Nope, something locked up. Yep, there it is. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, is he gonna, come on, what's up with all the editing? Let's get through it, come on. What's he gonna do? No, Moto Stars. And, okay, I guess it fades to black because he dies. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Get one of the books. Come on, guys, start practicing. Don't be on these videos.